Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth experience. We'll cover everything from initial setup to confirming your connection, making it easy for anyone to follow along. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage your digital assets across both platforms with confidence and ease. Before we begin, there are a few essential preparations. First, make sure your Coinbase account is set up and funded with the cryptocurrencies you wish to manage. Second, you'll need the Phantom Wallet browser extension installed on your preferred browser, such as Chrome or Brave. Finally, always remember to securely back up your Phantom Wallet's secret recovery phrase. This is crucial for asset security. Now, let's dive into the connection process. Open your Phantom Wallet extension and click on the gear icon for settings. Look for an option like Connect Wallet or Add Account, then choose Coinbase from the list of available exchanges. You will be redirected to Coinbase to authorize the connection. Grant the necessary permissions, and once confirmed, your accounts will be linked, allowing for seamless asset management. After connecting, verify the link within your Phantom Wallet to ensure everything is working correctly. You can now easily view and manage your supported assets across both platforms. Remember, while convenient, always prioritize security. Only connect to trusted applications and consider disconnecting your accounts if you are not actively using them. This helps maintain the highest level of protection for your valuable digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.